Biodiversity represents everything that lives on Earth. It is the fruit of several billion years of evolution, shaped by natural processes and increasingly by the influence of humans. So far, about 1.75 million species have been identified, but scientists believe that there would be 13 million species living on Earth. Biodiversity is life. It heals us as more than 70,000 plant species on Earth we use in medicine. It gives us shelter. Without it, we wouldn't build houses, furniture, or tools. Biodiversity feeds us and clothes us. The consumption patterns of people in rich countries are the principal cause of biodiversity loss. A rapid loss of the Earth's species is estimated to be between 1,000 and 10,000 times of the natural extinction rate. Today, our planet hosts 7 billion people. We need to preserve biodiversity so that it can meet the needs of 9 billion of us in 2050. The UN Convention on Biological Diversity aims to provide a framework to address the promotion and protection of biodiversity as a source of goods and services to life. The human activities, magnified in recent years by population growth and global climate change, has greatly reduced biodiversity in ecosystems around the world. One way in each of us can contribute to foster biodiversity is to choose a more sustainable lifestyle. Education can help us recognize that more of our individual actions as how much they can appear can have global ramifications. We need to learn that we are a part of a web of life. When one species disappears, all others are at a risk of disappearing as a result. We need to empower the next generation and youth today to foster biodiversity for tomorrow. We're actually losing something. What are we losing? The environment. Nature is disappearing. We lose 35 million acres of native forest, an area about the size of Nepal, each year. Each hour, 3 species of animals, plants, and other living things vanish forever. We've lost 1/5 of the planet's coral reefs, up to 1/3 of its mangrove forests, and half of the world's wetlands. It seems sometimes as though we don't think nature is worth saving. It's time to ask a big question. What is nature worth? We know the value of nature's products, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Nature's services are valuable too. Plants counteract climate change by capturing CO2. Wetlands purify water flowing into lakes and streams and us. Forests soak up rain, reducing the risk of floods. Worms turn waste into life-supporting soil. Mangroves protect coasts from storms, and microbes in the ocean produce half of the oxygen we breathe. Nature is behind 9 of our top 10 medicines. Fruits, nuts, vegetables, and other crops benefit from nature's pollinators. Woods and wetlands, prairies and ponds bring beauty to our lives, increase property values, and give living things a place to call home. When we ignore nature's value, nature loses and we lose. How can we factor in nature's real worth? 1. Consider the services nature provides. 2. Calculate the economic benefits of those services. 3. Create a plan that protects those services based on their true value. When we take time to learn what nature is worth, decisions can turn out very differently. When we sustain that which sustains us, nature prospers and we prosper. And our children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren prosper too. Protecting our planet is in our hands. Conserve biodiversity.